vlog. So essentially what's happening right now is I'm on my way to meet my commercial real estate agent to see a space. And what's really cool about the space I'm about to see is this is the same place that I used to work at. Remember when I told y'all when I worked at a spa and it got shut down due to the pandemic? Well, this is the same spa that I'm going to. Apparently they're expanding, and so they're moving locations. So I'm literally about to view this space. I already know what it looks like, but it's been about 2 years since I've been out there. So that's, I feel like I kind of manifested that in a way. Anyway, and then we're gonna see a couple other spaces, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. And then what's going on with the spa right now is I don't have any appointments today. I did some appointments yesterday and I have some appointments on Thursday. But two of my contractors, they have about 3 appointments each. So while I'm out here viewing properties, I'll be getting paid at the same time technically. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all along for the journey. I got my baby with me, I got my business cards, I got my heels on, a little bit of makeup, nothing crazy. I don't really do makeup like that. I feel like every time I go out with my baby, I feel like I'm always rushing. Like, are there any moms who watch this and kind of feel like the same thing? Like, do you feel like you're constantly kind of running a little bit behind when you have your baby with you? Because that's how I be feeling. Yeah, I'm really excited to see these spaces. It feels like things are moving forward. And something I'll try to do during this vlog is just like offer some tips. I don't know if I'm gonna voice over this or not, but I'll offer some tips for those who are thinking of starting a brick and mortar business. As y'all know, my business for the past 4 years has been 100% mobile. So I've never needed space, never really wanted a space. It was actually really sweet because, you know, when you're mobile, you have maximum profits because you're not paying for a space. But now I'm getting to the point where I'm ready to expand and try something different and try a new business model. And so yeah, so y'all will get to see the behind the scenes of that. So we are here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to film as much as I can for you all while holding my baby. So we'll see. Yeah, it's beautiful. So, oh, where did I park? Oh, there I parked. Just went to go look at the spa, and it's exactly how I remembered it. It's so cool that everything's coming around full circle like that. I'll tell y'all more in the car. Okay, so I didn't get to film what happened in between after I looked at the space, but they were saying that they really liked my business plan. They wanted me to drop a business plan because it just shows your seriousness when you are leasing a property. And it shows like your intentions, and it gives the realtor an idea of what I'm looking for. So he really liked that. He asked me about some discrepancies that were on the business plan that I wasn't aware of. So I cleared that up for him. And so yeah, and because I have experience making business plans and helping my students make business plans, I was able to whip that up really, really quickly.
They didn't need all this extra space, so they gave it back, and so just put this wall up. This space is 2,831 square feet.
Okay.
And you've got 2 entrances, one here, and then there's another one over here.
Okay.
Where they had the previous tenant, when this space was divided like this, they used this as their reception area.
Okay, this foyer right here?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
People people would come in here. There was a law firm that was in here before.
Okay.
So they had this as their reception area. And basically you've got two big rooms. There's one here.
Okay.
And then there's another one right beside it.
Okay.
And then back down this hall to the left is a bathroom. So it's a private bathroom for y'all.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. No worries. I'll wait for you here.
Yeah, there's a lot to look at, so I'll walk
take
around.
your time. Yeah, I'm gonna cut all the lights on for you.
Okay, let's see what we're looking at. So you mentioned that this used to be kind of like a reception area.
Correct.
Maybe.
Then they had a conference room right
Over here. Okay.
And
Oh, I see. This is really interesting. Hey y'all, so it's voice over me. So as the real estate agent was showing me around this space, he taught me a few things that I did not realize before that I'll share with you all in case you are shopping around for a spa space. So in a situation like this, where the space is not fully built out to be what I intend for it to be, you know, a spa, in some situations, the owner of the property will include an allowance for you, as in pay you, not pay you, but give you a certain amount of money out of their pocket to build out the space the way you want it. In some situations, sometimes you have to ask for it in order for that to happen. But because the intention is that you'll sign a lease for at least 3 to 5 years, it's an incentive for the the seller to do that. So, you know, if you're in this situation, go ahead and ask if there is some type of allowance and ask about any expenses that come with the space. Okay, so that space is really, really interesting. It seems very open, so it's very customizable. So we'll see. So this is the third and last space that I saw for this day, and it was huge. I'm talking like huge foyer area, decent sized reception area, and a lot of rooms. I believe there were 7 rooms in this particular space, and all the parking in the whole building is its own, so it's not shared with other businesses. It's not even really around a lot of other businesses. So that was interesting. Also, this is a great time for me to ask, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video. It takes me hours editing this stuff and, you know, sharing tidbits and behind the scenes videos. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. All right. Unfortunately died when we were in the meeting with the other agents, so you weren't able to hear like what we were talking about, how we kind of debriefed some of the spaces that we saw, but sorry about that. I'll get better at this, I promise. But the day's not over yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to take a look at payroll. I can actually show you a little bit behind the scenes of how this works. So we'll just go into the office. The baby's sleeping right now, so that's like perfect timing. Welcome to my office. Luckily the baby is sleeping right now, and this is kind of where all the magic is happening, I guess you could say. But yeah, just to show you a little bit of behind the scenes. So essentially every week I get sent, oops, didn't mean to do that. I get sent pay stubs, so they'll send like a summary to me, and then I just look over it and approve it. And once I do that, then I can go over to QuickBooks and send it through direct deposit, which is pretty easy and pretty straightforward. I think I showed that on a different video, actually, a different vlog of me doing that. So it makes it really basic and straightforward. Before I close out this vlog, I just want to like say this, maybe this could help you on your journey. But okay, so we looked at 3 spaces. The first one was already an established spa. This is actually the spa that I used to work at before, you know, the pandemic of 2020. So it's already an established spa, it's less expensive, yada, yada, yada. The second place we looked at would require some build out. So I would have to custom build out the walls, custom build out the flooring, and really build it out to what I would want it to be. So that would be a longer project. It would be a little bit more expensive, but it's in a really great shopping area. It's in a place with a lot of foot traffic. I actually know some of the business owners in that area. And you know, there's not a lot of competition in terms of spa and massage. The third place we looked at had plenty of space, so I wouldn't need to move somewhere if the business were to grow. So it had like 7 rooms, plenty of space, and it kind of fit the model that I was looking for. But the only thing is that it wasn't nearby any shopping centers or anything like that. It was kind of like near the hospitals and stuff, but it's a building all on its own. So the pros is that, you know, plenty of space. It's a little bit more expensive, but not too expensive. And, you know, it's not as much customization. I don't need to build out walls because walls are already built out. But the cons is that, you know, it's not by any like foot traffic, any shopping centers. But I do have to consider that I have a existing clientele. And so because my like mobile business is already established and I already have clients asking me to open a physical location, I already have like a demand for this type of business model, then it's kind of okay that it's not around any other area, because my clients will follow me and people will be able to find me on the map anyways. So that's just something to consider. Maybe if you're starting out, you might want to be near a bunch of shopping centers if you don't have any clientele or anything like that. So that's just another tidbit I thought I'd mention. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if that was helpful in the comments. Anyways, if you watched this far, then thank you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. It definitely helps me out. It lets me know that you enjoy this type of content. And let me know what you would like to see, like down in the comments below. Trust me, I'm gonna get better at vlogging, especially if I know that you as the viewer enjoy seeing content like this. So I need to know what you like to see. And also at the time that I'm filming this video, SpaBizSuccess is now open for enrollment. We opened the doors yesterday and we're actually gonna be closing the doors in about a week. So if that's something that you're interested in, if you can imagine yourself being mentored by me closely for 8 weeks straight and joining a really fun community and learning directly from me, then go ahead and look at the link in the bio and we can talk on the phone and see if it's a good fit for you. Yeah, I'm really excited about this cohort. We already got a couple people in there, so I'm beyond excited. But again, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Stay well. Bye.